I'm going to show you guys how to use the brake today. The brake is really handy for bending metal. There's no mechanical elements to this piece. It's all using leverage to bend metal. Basically what you're going to do, take a piece of thin sheet metal. You will know when your material is too thick because it won't fit and it won't bend. This is probably a 1/16 inch piece of shiny, I don't know what this is, shiny steel. And I'm just gonna stick this into this space between the top of the brake and the bottom. I take this lever right here. I'm gonna pull it down and that will cinch the material. In fact, it seems like it's adjusted to be a little higher right now. There we go. Or not a cut, because I'm problem solving on the fly. Okay, it wasn't really cinching, so I just moved down those nuts a little bit and now it's a bit tighter. So while I hold this lever down, I'm gonna pull this lever up and I can bend my metal quite precisely, just like that. You can do this multiple times. However, right now, the only places on this part that I can bend are between here and here. I can't actually stick this into the machine. So you have to think ahead. If you want a bend in the middle, you're gonna wanna do that first, and then you'll do your second bend. So I'll add another little one here. And then here's your other limitation, when your material starts to hit the machine because you've turned so sharply. But there I have a great little bend in my material. You can also use this for rod. I have a piece of 3/16 inch rod right here, and I'm gonna do the same process. I'm gonna stick it into the space between the top and the bottom. I'm gonna pinch it, and then this is all just leverage right here. You should think about your eyes or anybody nearby. When you're using a long piece of rod, it's really easy to lose control of where that's going. So be careful. Wear your safety glasses if you're using a rod that's extending, anywhere past here. And look at that. I feel really strong right now. I can bend metal with my own hands. So that's the gist of the brake. Really useful tool, available to you at all times. Even though it's not mechanical, you really do need to think about how strong this space is and this leverage. If your fingers or any part of your body end up in here, you are going to get hurt. So just because there's no motor doesn't mean it's not dangerous. So just be aware of the pinching and you'll do great with this tool.
Yes.